Well, another Malakenyam Canadiala Koni Dong Baron Linguasimene. And the Mandune Chankwas Nimalia Nong Roini, Gorjan Obana Jo Banjalin Kel Kadobadan and Tajanon Kaja. And Jo Banling a quick corridana chito kam Jani, Canadian Koni Sharke Murleni. Gorjan Obeja Quenia. And Kenyam Gorjan Obeja Quenia Katok English Kadobran Shanon Kaja. Quick corridana chito me neck native shop Kawello. No a jerry pod and gorno banyo kel guasamen biarun chu palpin kaliengda no ko brother linga kamana to no ngumela ro de ki shalat no ani shana jelinkel. The number of people killed in an attack on a cattle camp in Mogiri Buma has now reached 10, with 14 others injured, according to the National Police spokesperson. Major General James Monday said the attack happened on the evening of August 5, 2025, when army users attacked a cattle camp guarded by Joint Security Force in Mangala. Major General James Monday said the attack caused 24 casualties. 10 people died on the spot. 14 were wounded and unknown number of cattle were stolen, Gerald Monday said. He confirmed that some of the security officers who were guarding the cattle trader were also among the people that got killed. Gerald Monday said that no arrests have been made yet, but the government has sent more security forces to the area. He added that the situation in Mogiri is now under control. Leon Abebron, the State Minister of Local Government and Law Enforcement in Central Equatoria, called on the communities to stop violence and solve their problem through peaceful talk. In another statement, the Chief Administrator of the Greater Pibor Administrative Area, Gola Boyi Gola, also condemned the attack. He said the killing of innocent people showed no respect for human life. He asked the government of South Sudan to bring the attacker to justice and say that violence against cattle traders and civilians must stop immediately. On Wednesday, the Boer Community Youth Association released a statement saying that they were not involved in the attack in Mogiri. They say that they are ready to work with national authorities if the investigation finds anyone from their community responsible. Also, civil society group called Interpret South Sudan, working in Jonglei State, condemned the attack on the cattle trader. The group said the trader were just doing their daily work. Jawlin kon gwasame atada na shikurche tuokaja kam jane me shikuri tuok no chetegane di shop ka jan dangre yudong wane amoy ka bot kane dang welti sharnak no ne wel ngwanti ke bot ka dobra na shalat ke je ka shalat o shahok ti chop ke kinediok awanyam kan unknown number la pig misha cha ka kwalkanitin kontin te ka market ala murele Major General James Monday chalat no riek mo tuoka ka toktiang ala shanka diech ka paibadek ronkin dangrew jan dangrew diech ajene jan gwazdanan wa hok wa ka nanka je netin kontin chaje gurno biken ja neri shalkati murleni biken kanang. Of course lat kenen go netin kontin dong nanka mech ke neti kontin pack ko kwekeke but chi jan lode do brana che tuoke je shala go ne to shigben ka tiang ka chi gurne realika ke Equatoria Guadadan and Waogwa ke leltin la Central Equatoria chikan la no neiti tinangkokti kane tin kontil la jang ngai konen wona me mangai ke tarake li okume ki ngai ke jen wo ke jang kane tin kontil nakana kanankok cha Ramadan en la kuer dung we shall come Greater Pibor Administrative Area wa charwajanu wudishal ke gola boyo gola ajani chilode jalung kata dana chane ke chane ke je la neiti shop ko well ti genetin kontin la ji Equatoria kadwo budanan chane neke kadwo budana dong de ne ti de ke gor ke je ki de ke je you know ajani na shagwano de ne ka de kanak en wudu shalka me gola boye gola wudu dan en la kwar jaba ajanan wo baran na ka mijak gola boye gola jena kwar jaba me pay kwani kin yadit ka gwad me tek tek jena ram normal ka kor gwada pay wo bonen she wona ka greater ka che wona ka jonglei che ka jonglei shi ka je kana Dr. Riegai Kok dongde malder tin kam nenten konti la murleni kan neten konti te ka jonglei ban ngai kona gwano jang chicken te gwa malga milat ken wari ke nyok en mal bo chang chaje kulat boni no chalar no bi jaba kan net ko la nuar bi te kamal chi malen cha succeed kodi jabala kana bi ko bi kan ka ben kwal bi na bi kan kan nan kan gat yomi wa wana korin bi kuma so dan wona mo chagwa so kanidi yos ke kirma yadit ana but menong na me ko biliabe dine welen chana gwasa me ka kaneti konti la jabbe ne ke murle ka ba ken shop ke kine dio ko nyam no ba kanang tin na me chul jang ne tae da ne chana ke ka central equatorial dio ngai kona na me abur community nyok chi ne kon la bur community use association chi kan warga gor kanen no kanen chi kanai tin konti na ke murle ne ka mogere na me kach ngai kene no kene kon nakana kene to mi waranda kep a charge no take tin kene to content dong nan kok kana kana kene ka ko ready ko binay man tuok binay ngach ke binay tetinan gwada lat ka jetin no ba ku ne gwada me kene we are ready to work with national authorities if the investigation find anyone from the Boer community. Okay, misha jigano dong they are responsible in Guatemala. So miteram chaje ka jang akane binay responsibility binay kan kata dan shirek macha toga. Of course ngai kono no ne content nakana ke jang bor kata dan shalat ka ke ne kono shal ke murlene. So jo me amila road kata dan shirek toga je. So kore chi tok chire milen kono me chane di shubwel shakanak kana ka ne ko na ka ke ge je no kan ke jang ka do dan ge je ka jang shikene but in reality awade ka jang ka do dan shalat ke je ko tin kon ya nan ko tin man long chi ko tot chi menen yan magwata me ni ok chop ke kini ti kur dang kini diok wenyam ko kan ne ko tin la murlen la kan je long ko ti kan ka kwal wini ti gol bu kan ko nang re wujin wini mi wokan ka kwak sometime ne ko la chur chicken la ok la kan ya ko gone ne ko la chur ke la kan ok la kan akung ne ko ken mine to bu ko do jen kan ok bu kan ko ok so ngayen deal dan let kene so ajen dan en goro de nywa ya kel ka do dan en chane wal cha ne ga ne ko ne an ne wale anak ke murlene ani nyoka ko bu kon jek ka ler de jen bi ben ko take pressing issues to gor kono de kon kelingan ba ta mal bye.